Hi, today we're looking into hotel booking form. So if you're looking for a form that you can use with Notion in order to in order for the guests to enter the details, this template will help you out. Okay. So first of all, you can see we have created a form which has the first name, the last name, the email, the room type which the customer can pick, the number of guests, the arrival date, departure date, the free pickup if they want, the flight number, and in special requests. So once the customer fills in all these details and they click on submit, the response gets captured on your workspace under the responses view. So you can see all the responses that will come over here. Okay. So I've already gone ahead and filled in some details over here, and I will just click on submit. As I do that, you can see the response has been submitted, and that entry will go over here in the responses section, and you can see it is generated over here. So you can take help of this particular link for the form. So I'll just show you that link. Once you go to the form builder and click on share form, click on copy link, make sure you have all the settings enabled. And once you expose that link to the customer, they can fill out the form as per the requirement, and you can start tracking all the details. Okay. So this was all that I wanted to discuss about the hotel booking form. Another thing I wanted to mention was there is this tool known as PDFOutput, which helps you generate PDF documents in bulk utilizing a Google document as a template, and it takes the Google Sheet or a Notion database as a source of database. So you can generate invoice PDFs for your business or any documents for your need, like for example, any hotel booking documents that you might need. So you can simply just edit the Google document as per your need, and then link up Google Sheet or Notion database and generate the documents in bulk. Below is a video which I've added for generating invoices. You can replicate the same setup for any of the templates that you might be looking out for. Okay, so this was all that I wanted to discuss. Besides this, if you have any other questions, please reach out to me at Notion for my use at the rate gmail.com, and I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you. Have a great day.